Lesson 11. Life in Water. Plants and animals live both on land and in water. You will be surprised to know that the number of organisms found in water is many times more than that found on land. In this chapter, you will study about plants and animals found in different water bodies like ponds, lakes, rivers, and oceans. Aquatic plants. Plants which live in water are called aquatic plants. Their body parts are specially adapted to live in water. Aquatic plants can be grouped into different categories depending upon where they grow in the water. Free-floating plants. Some aquatic plants like duckweed, pistia, water hyacinth are found floating on the water surface in ponds and lakes. These plants have spongy stems and a large number of air spaces. This helps the plants to float on the surface of water. These plants remain in contact with water and air but are not attached to the soil. Rooted floating plants. In certain aquatic plants like water lily and lotus, the roots are fixed to the soil, but they have long stalks which help to keep their leaves floating on water. Their leaves have an oily surface which makes them waterproof. Underwater plants. Some aquatic plants like hydrilla, pondweed, vallisneria, and tape grass grow under the water. Their narrow leaves do not have stomata. They breathe through their body surface. These plants are fixed in the soil at the bottom of the pond with the help of their roots. These plants use carbon dioxide present in water to make their food. Aquatic animals. Animals like fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and even mammals live in water. There are also some lower animals like insects, crabs, prawns, etc. that live in water. They have features that help them to move around in water. Those that remain underwater have features that help them to inhale the air that is dissolved in water. Fish. A fish has a streamlined body to move in water. It has well-developed gills that help it to breathe in water and fins that help it to swim. Aquatic animals with shells. Lobster, seahorse, turtles and crabs are also aquatic animals and have suitable limbs for swimming in water. The paddle-like flippers of a turtle help it to push water back while swimming. Crabs too breathe with gills. Do you know? Coral reefs are often mistaken for plants. A reef is made of coral colonies that are formed by tiny coral animals. Amphibians. Animals like frogs, toads, salamanders can live both on land and in water. Frogs have a porous skin that helps them to breathe and live in moist conditions and have lungs to breathe on land. Birds. Herons have long, slim legs that help them to stand in water. They have big, narrow and pointed beaks that help them to catch food. Ducks also stay in water. They breathe with the help of lungs and have webbed feet that help them to swim in water and walk on land. Aquatic mammals. Whales and dolphins are mammals that live in water. They breathe with lungs and keep coming up to the surface of water to gulp in air. They swim with the help of fins and have streamlined bodies like the fish. Quick revision. Many plants and animals live in water. They are called aquatic plants and aquatic animals respectively. Aquatic plants can be grouped into free-floating plants, underwater or submerged plants, rooted and floating plants. Aquatic animals have features that help them to move around in water.